I wanted to ask you something. A potential customer, a lady, who was
Mhm.
asking me how to bring my specific person back, my ex. I think I was not very friendly, and I answered that I don't do witchcraft. Manifest the person who is right for you. She was not so happy
Mhm.
with my answer. What is the best practice and the best way to answer to this kind of people in this kind of situation?
I understand. This is very common thing, especially when you are a coach. Maybe that person is so desperate, maybe missing, and thinking like Victoria Kiefer is a very famous relationship coach. Maybe she can help, but you will answer in a diplomatic way, in a softer way. At least give her some option. You know what you can do? You can do that, you can do that.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Share this, your magic to more people.
Yes, thank you. I will just call this exercise how to attract your specific person, you know?
I'm happy that you got it.
Mwah.
This is Imran, a tech wizard. I'm going to showcase the journey of a relationship coach, how she is taking her business online and what are the struggles she is having and how she is overcoming those. Hope you guys will enjoy the process and have some fun. Also, in the meantime, you'll learn some great techniques how to take your coaching business online. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hello, Imran. How are you today?
I'm good, I'm good. Good to see you. You look so happy. What happened?
Thank you, thank you. I had a good night's sleep. So today I'm a bit like jungle and with this, I don't know, this outfit like uh leopard, I would say. It's leopard.
Leo?
Leo. Yeah. You are Leo,
Oh,
right?
Leo.
So
I'm Leo. Yeah.
yes. So this kind of, and of course I don't have a bra because it's too hot and it's like, yes, just be natural and all this in this summer. But I didn't want to talk about these topics. It's like you distracted me with your green shirt, like very relaxing green spa stuff you have there.
Mhm.
I wanted to ask you something. I had a situation with a potential customer, a lady, who was
Mhm.
asking me how to bring my specific person back, my ex back. And she wanted, because I was teaching some manifestation technique, and she wanted to know from me how to bring her specific person back. So I think I was not very friendly, and I answered that I don't do witchcraft because this is witchcraft. If you don't allow to the other person to have the free will, because maybe this is not from the divine plan to be with that person, and you should manifest the person who is right for you, whatever God or universe want to bring in your life. She was not so happy
Mhm.
with my answer. And I was
Mhm.
wondering what is the best practice and the best way to answer to this kind of people in this kind of situation to be more diplomatic, and just like, yeah, the communication should go more smooth.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. This is very common thing, especially when you are a coach. You always get some inquiry, some request. Can you make this? Can you do this? Can you do that? But we need to think and we need to put ourselves in their shoe. And then we'll see, oh, that person is basically looking for some answer, some solution. Of course, there is a way, but there is a nicer way. There is a good way, what is the bad way. But also, there is nothing good or bad. It's all about perception, how that person is looking. Maybe that person is so desperate, maybe missing, and thinking like, okay, Victoria Kiefer is a very famous relationship coach. Maybe she can help and maybe she can guide. And if you answer to that, it means like you're bouncing them back. Means what? They'll feel more hopeless and they may fall in trap of other people. And that will bring her more sorrow, more sadness, more loneliness in her life. So what you need to act as a sensible person who is there for you. Okay, you'll listen, but you'll answer in a diplomatic way, in a softer way. Not just say, I don't do that, this is witchcraft, this is that thing, this is that thing. You can give, at least give her some option. You know what you can do? You can do that, you can do that. I have some other way, which you can just divert or just redirect the whole energy to a different thing, which will allow you to manifest your maybe the dream partner or something. Yeah. You need to you need to channel your speech, your thought. When you have become very straight, it can cause some issue. Maybe other people will feel offended. You understand?
Oh, yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. My dog is here and he's like jealous, I think. Heart, come here. We don't want. Yes, you are right. You are right. And yeah, I am pretty sure there is more diplomatic way to say it and to do it. And maybe I can teach her some manifestation techniques which are more specific to her. What does she want? How she see her relationship? What does she
Mhm,
want from the relationship? That she can figure
mhm,
out some things for herself, like the first step. And then
mhm,
maybe she will figure out. But I have a very good practice also for my audience now, since you mentioned this.
mhm,
When you want
mhm,
to manifest a specific person back, like your ex back, you can write a list with the things that you didn't like for that person and for that specific relationship. And believe me, it will fade
mhm.
away. You will not want it anymore. So this is also a very good practice. It was just coming in my mind just now. But yeah, to take them slowly, because I'm pretty sure that maybe they were abandoned or rejected and they loved that person and they didn't solve their inner conflict, or they were like just living an illusion. Maybe it's
Mhm,
brutal just to say the truth, because they need to discover themselves and they need to figure
mhm,
out the truth. So
mhm.
yes, thank you for the advice. I think I will do like that, that I will bring more them to themselves, like
Mhm,
what do they want from a relationship, how they see a relationship, what activities they would like to do. And maybe as a second step, like I mentioned, just write the things that they didn't like in their
mhm.
previous relationship and what they would like to have in the next relationship. I
Yeah,
think it's a good balance that they can have an overview and then they can get clarity within themselves, right?
you are right. So another thing I to add, let's say you can add to that person because I also have with few relationship goals and have seen they're also doing different things. It's good. So if you are having a feelings or some old memories are surrounding around us, so maybe a very common thing that bringing back the old memory. So that's really cool option. Like if I write those things, like okay, what I didn't like about her, or that's really cool. At the same time, you can also encourage that person, like okay, once you do that, that will dissolve that feeling. But at the same time, you can write something what you are looking for your future partner. That will make a perfect balance. Like oh, nice. So that will make them feel like okay, that's cool. I don't need to go back. But that will the next second option will make them feel hopeful and inspired to look forward and forward. And that will make them cool, calm, and they'll feel like as a coach, you are there for them, not just to bounce them back to somewhere. Oh, no, no, no. You listen to that person and you give them a nice practice, and that's so handy. It doesn't take more than 20 minutes, and it's super cool.
Yes, exactly. So it's like you said, first just write what you didn't like, that you get clarity of what you actually want. And what you didn't like, if you don't know what you like, you can flip it 180 degrees and
Yeah,
then you can figure
exactly.
out what you like. And it's so easy exercise and with so much effect, and you get clarity
Yeah,
immediately, just like that.
yeah. Cool. Just do this. And I think many people will love it because we are human. We are born to be loved and we are born to be social. We are born to make family, being in a family, with friends, with loved ones. So share this your magic to more people. So more people will feel benefited and more people will get so much awareness about relationship. And that's how we'll build a nice soul.
Yes, thank you. I will just call this exercise how to attract your specific person, and
Yeah,
actually
it's super
it's
cool.
quite, you get the clarity of what you actually want. Yeah, thank you, Imran, for
Yeah,
this brainstorming and this
you're welcome.
quality discussions that we have. It's always very efficient, and it's like I get more clarity after our call, and I know how to approach this kind of ladies, because more specifically lady were asking me this, and I was a bit frustrated with this. And yeah, I was direct because I'm a direct person, but sometimes you need to handle people, like more diplomatic with some gloves, like just don't
Yeah,
offend
yeah,
easily.
cool. I'm happy that you got it. So keep sharing
Thank
that.
you. Thank you.
And if you have any other issue, you know whom to ask and whom to share. You don't need to always ask. We can just have a simple conversation and we'll figure out the solution.
Exactly. Yes. And who knows, maybe I can use this exercise, how to attract the ISP like a magnet, step 1, step 2, and then give me a feedback how it was for you. Yes, very good
Awesome. Do
marketing
it.
tip. Yeah, it's a very good magnet. Thank you. Mwah.
You're welcome.
Always. Ooh, it's so hot.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you love to share your experience and share your opinion and how you feel it, please comment below. And if you feel like some of your friends may get benefit from this video, feel free to tag. And yeah, keep in touch and we'll bring so much good content like this. And have an awesome day. Bye.